Okay, so welcome back to my channel. Today I've got some more Thomas rolling stock. These are just an assortment of vans to go with the troublesome trucks which I purchased the other day. This is a slightly older design. The code is R9705 and it's just called 3 assorted vans. You can see on the back of the box you got what else was available at the time. Most of that is finished now, so it's tougher to get your hands on. And it comes fairly well packaged. I paid £28 for these from Hatton's. So they weren't the cheapest, but to be fair, I hadn't seen them anywhere else, and I didn't know they existed until I was just browsing through the website. So I thought I'll stick them in the basket as I was ordering some other stuff anyway. And they arrived, as always with Hatton's, fairly quickly. Brilliant service. So yes, you get 3 box vans, well, 2 box vans and a cattle van. And on the cattle van and on the, as you can see, the silver box van, there is weathering details on them, which is pretty nice. To be fair, you wouldn't know these were Thomas Friends if it didn't say on the box. You can pretty much run these with anything that you want. You don't have to, if you're not into Thomas and Friends, or you're thinking, oh, that's a bit embarrassing, I don't want people to see I've got Thomas and Friends on my layout at home. You could buy these without the box, you're really not going to know. Just a close-up of one of the first. Put that down on the track. Nice bit of weathering on there. I'm sure there's people out there who can do better with a paintbrush, but as brand new straight out of the box. And obviously they won't lose any value like a lot of stuff. I've seen a lot of weathered vans and trucks and even locomotives that people have done, and they look great, but they do lose a lot of value if you ever plan on selling. It's just a second box van. Put that down the track. There's no weathering detail on the brown one whatsoever, and I think my favourite one has got to be the cattle van. I really do like this one. It looks nice and authentic to me. The weathering looks like it could be done with a brush, as opposed to the first van, the silver van, which just looks like it's faded brown to silver, but it's done to me in quite a cartoony way. So yeah, I think this is my favourite one. They've all got metal wheels. They look great on the track. As you can see here, without any Thomas characters, they look like they could be with anything. It really doesn't matter. So if you just fancy a pack of vans, I think this is one of the cheapest actually out there. So we're just going to couple up Thomas here. He doesn't want to. I think he's going to spend a bit of time chasing them around to couple up. He does eventually though. In the background is a new country station I just finished building today. I'll do a separate video on that at some point. But yes, there he is. He's happy. He's coupled up. 3 wagons is perfect for him or Percy or somewhere, one of the smaller engines, Bill, Ben, whatever you decide to do. Even someone a mid-size like James or yeah, Edward wouldn't look out of place with these. So 3 I think is the right number to have. I'm going to try and pick up a few more packs of different sort of rolling stock here and there, but I'm trying not to make it my focus because I really do want to get on with some other stuff that I've got planned or that I've bought. I've got a few boxes of different things sitting about which I need to get around to. But yes, that's about it on these. It's just a close-up video for you to have a look. If you watch towards the end of the video, you'll see some close-up shots of them so you can make up your own mind. I'm not going to talk for hours and hours about these. I think I've covered the most important things, especially for someone like me who's new to this. You know, I'm going on value and presentation. Those type of things are important to me. Not massively bothered on the accuracy to what the vans look like in the show. I'm not too bothered that they don't have faces on, anything like that. I just think they're brilliant all round. I would have preferred to pay a little bit less money for them, but hey, we can't have everything, can we? So hopefully you'll enjoy the rest of the video. I do apologise for the mess that you can see, but it does show that I am in the middle of building and there is progress going on. You can see in every video things are slightly different, so I'm still working on where and what I want. But yeah, enjoy the rest of the video.